Before buying Chute for social media management and analytics, here are 12 key things you should know. Stick around till the end because we'll compare it to the competition and reveal if it's the best option for you or if you should look elsewhere. First, Chute focuses on providing an all-in-one platform to help you manage and track social media posts and campaigns. But while it's a solid tool for scheduling and analytics, there are some limitations when compared to other platforms like Hootsuite or Sprout Social. For example, Chute doesn't offer as many integrations, which could make it harder if you're relying on multiple platforms for your business. Next thing, when it comes to analytics, Chute provides detailed insights on your social media performance, but it's more basic than competitors. Tools like Sprout Social dive deeper into audience engagement, trends, and competitor analysis. If you're looking for robust, in-depth analytics, you might want to explore those options first. The third thing to note is its user interface. Chute is relatively user-friendly, but it's not as polished or intuitive as others like Buffer or AgriPulse. While you can get the hang of it, there's a slight learning curve, especially if you've used other platforms that are more streamlined. The fourth thing is the support options. Chute's customer support is responsive, but lacks the 24/7 availability that some other services offer. For instance, Hootsuite provides more extensive support resources, including live chat and community forums, which can be a deal breaker if you're running a large team. Next, let's talk about pricing. Chute's pricing structure is more affordable than higher tier options like Sprout Social, which can make it a good choice for smaller teams or businesses just starting. However, if you need advanced features, you might quickly outgrow Chute and be forced to upgrade to a more expensive plan. The sixth thing is the scheduling feature. Chute does let you schedule posts in advance, but it doesn't have the same level of flexibility as Hootsuite or Buffer. For example, you can't customize posts for different platforms in the same way, which can make cross-platform marketing a bit more time-consuming. Now, the seventh point, content creation tools. While Chute offers basic content management, it lacks the creative tools that platforms like Canva integrate with, which are useful if you're producing a lot of visual content for your posts. The eighth thing is the reporting. Chute's reporting is solid, but it's not as customizable as you'd get with some other platforms. If you need detailed, tailored reports for clients or team members, competitors like Sprout Social offer far more flexibility. The ninth point is that Chute doesn't offer a free plan. While it's a cheaper option compared to others, platforms like Buffer and Hootsuite offer free tiers with limited features, so if you're just testing the waters, that might be a better choice to start. The 10th thing is the team collaboration. Chute allows multiple users, but it doesn't have the same collaborative features that platforms like Sprout Social or AgriPulse provide, like task assignment or content approval workflows. The 11th point is its mobile app. Chute's mobile app is functional, but it doesn't have the smooth experience that some competitors like Buffer offer. If you manage social media on the go, you might find it a bit more cumbersome than other options. And the 12th thing you should know, Chute is a solid platform for basic social media management and analytics, but it may not be the best fit for larger teams or businesses that need more in-depth analytics, creative tools, or custom reporting. It's a good option for small teams with straightforward needs, but if you want a more feature-rich solution with a broader range of capabilities, check out our recommended option. It's something you can try for free to see if it fits your needs better.